Hello and welcome. My name is Rick, and not too long ago I was in the exact same spot you are today. I was surfing around on the internet. I was trying to find answers, trying to find a way to build my network marketing business using the internet. And unfortunately for me, hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars later spent on ebooks and courses, I was lucky enough to partner up with some mentors who showed me the way. And guys, that's what I'm here for today. I'm here to kind of put the pieces together to show you that there's a step-by-step blueprint that I have prepared for you that's going to show you the way. And let's face it, what's the most important thing about this business? It's the people business. You know what? That's what a lot of people don't understand. People don't join a company. They join because of you. They see you as a leader. And if they're not joining, they're not seeing you probably as a leader. And what happens is, your upline, they tell you, hey guys, go out and get a list, build a list of 100 names, uncles, aunts, whatever, the guy who does your car, the person who cuts your grass. And you build this list and you pick up the phone and the very first thing you do is you blow it. Let's face it, there's some exciting products out there, some great companies. You get on the phone and you're so excited and you're like, hey, hey John, this is Rick. You know what? We're gonna make so much money. Hey, come join my company. Come do we blow it. No one's gonna join you. Not like that. They see you as you. They don't see you as some master business person who's going to build this, this network marketing empire. They see you as you. Or just like Sally, who works at Sears in the cosmetics department. They see her as her. So what it is, this is really about branding yourself. And we have a method or a system here that can show you step by step on how to do this, so you can generate leads. Leads are people to talk to. Because let's face it, we run out of people to talk to. This system will show you how to generate leads so you have more people to talk to get more people in your business, to make that kind of money you're talking about. And guys, I'm prepared for you a very good step-by-step blueprint, which I'm going to share with you on the other side. I just need you to put your name and email address, and I'll see you on the next page. And guys, don't worry. There is something, and it's right here in front of you. You stumbled upon this today for a reason. You're searching for other alternatives to make this work. Guys, put your name and email address on this form, and I'll see you on the other side.